Hey everybody, I'm Michelle from Cruisin with the Colemans, and we are here today to show you the Coachmen Remote 16R. If you are ready to get out and take adventures and you're nervous about what tow vehicle you have, this baby will get you on the road today, and that's what we love most about it. Okay, I said that's what we love most about it, but look at these windows. Look at these oval-shaped windows. Aren't they cool? And when we go inside, just like magic, they're completely different. But before we go inside, let me tell you about some of the features. Look at this outdoor kitchen. I mean, if I'm gonna get out and take adventures, I wanna have a really great kitchen. Everybody loves to grill, and this is gonna let you grill anytime, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And when you're cooking, would you give me a call and let me know? Because I'm always up for a good meal. And note, you can't close it this way, but it's super easy. You take it off, you flip it upside down, and it slides right in. And then next time, it's already ready for you to cook. The other thing I love about this outdoor kitchen is how big you've got this area, and you've got that full pass-through. I can see your kayaks back there, all of your camp chairs. You've got plenty of room back here to store everything you need for a life of adventure. Look at all this space! You've got a bumper here with your spare tire on it. It's prepped for a ladder. It's also prepped for a backup camera. Super easy plug and play. And then on top of the rig, 200 watts of solar. You can get on the road right away and be off-grid. You can talk to your dealer about upgrading to a lithium package, get lithium battery solar. You're gonna be off-grid and on your way quick. Check out the front of this rig. You got bikes you can put on here. It's got room for 4 bikes. You could put comfortably, I would put 2 bikes on here and or 1 e-bike, 2 propane tanks. You've got room for a battery or 2 right here. Notice it is a manual tongue jack, and we've got manual leveling jacks. What's great about this is that they're on an angle, and that's gonna help with your stability. The lights in the front of the rig are green because that's the remote, but your front porch light and your awning lights are all white, so you're gonna have plenty of light if you come in the dark. Before we go inside, one more thing. Coachmen remotes are coming with the tire pressure monitoring system, so no need to worry about what your tire pressure is and what the temperature is of your tire. Makes you safer on the road. Let's check out inside. When it comes to rigs, you see these front windows everywhere. What I love most about the front window in this rig is that it's at the dining room table. I want to sit and enjoy looking outside. I have the window on the sides and I have the window on the front. This to me is an ideal location for either your kitchen or your dining room table, and I really like that they did that. Nice big overhead storage over top. And of course, if you're sitting right here, you've got easy access to the fridge. You've got easy access to the fridge and the freezer. There's quite a bit of space in here. And I love this little lock, so you know that when you're going down the road, it's safe. This has, to me, like a camper van vibe, but I don't have to pay the price of a camper van. We have friends that have a van that looks kind of like this. You've got a nice big bed up here with plenty of storage underneath. You've got a kitchen sink with a nice big bowl here. You've got a 2-burner stove. You've got a microwave here. And then you've got 1 cabinet, 2 cabinets, and a drawer. And then a lot of storage over top. So between the storage under the bed, storage outside, storage here, storage over the kitchen dinette, you got plenty of storage. Let's check out the bathroom. Corner shower. Probably someone about 6'2", has your head up here. I'm 5'5". So you've got a corner shower. It's small, but this is gonna get you out on the road. So it's what you want. And then plenty of elbow room. There's a mirror in here, I like that. There isn't any storage in here. There is a little space down here for your toilet paper and your towels. And if you use Turkish towels, we'll link that video. You've got plenty of room because those Turkish towels roll up small and they dry fast. And then you got 2 hooks behind here. So it's a small bathroom, but it's gonna get you on the road. From the bed, look at the storage. I've got 2 big basket areas here, And on the other side, there are 2 big basket areas, plus there's storage underneath. This is an RV with all the storage you're gonna need. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this Coachmen Remote 16R. If you wanna check out any other Coachmen Apex and Coachmen Remote videos, check out our playlist above. We hope you enjoyed taking this adventure with us today. We sure enjoyed bringing you along.